Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Thief on Airport After Stealing $350 Headphones.
On August 28, 2024, airport officers were dispatched to an electronics store in response to a reported theft.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, so you said that you had a theft happen?
Yes.
Okay, it was 10 minutes ago?
So at this point, it was roughly about 12 minutes ago.
Okay, so how do you know, tell me what happened.
So it was two men.
Okay.
They came in, they were looking at headphones.
Yeah.
So I was keeping an eye on them from the blind eye. Then I hear, like, they try to pull something off. And normally when you try to pull something off,
Yeah.
you can hear that bounce. And that's what I heard. And I see, because he ripped off the tag.
Oh, okay.
And I saw him put something in his pocket and then put the tag in his pocket. So I was keeping an eye on them.
Okay. Do those cameras?
Yes, that's how I checked. I checked right before they
Yeah,
left.
let me see.
And I could see him put it in his pocket. And then they come to talk to me, just so I wouldn't notice.
So these are the guys right
Yes,
here?
those are the guys right here.
Okay, go ahead. So they were together?
Yes, they were together.
And it was over here?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll see him in a second. You'll see him further
Yeah.
grabbing different items.
Oh, he broke it off?
Yeah, he broke it off.
Wow.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
And then you see him grab the little tag, so he doesn't. So I don't notice. But I already noticed when he do that.
Okay.
Yeah, but what is the owner looking at, or the
What you
store
doing,
guy
sir?
looking at?
Can you please check your cell phone? I just sent you an image of the individuals for the possible theft. Can you see if you can get a picture of where they might have gone, just by chance? And can you rewind it one more time?
Yeah.
I actually just want to get them. Everett 2 to Everett units. The individuals we're looking for is going to be a white male with a gray and dark gray cap, with a gray shirt, black pants, black shoes, carrying a black Adidas bag. The second individual is going to be a white male or Hispanic male with a red shirt, black pants, with a black backpack, carrying a blue, looks like blanket, and he's got tattoos on both arms. Okay, great. Okay, so I'm going to go with that. So let me ask you just real quick, just in case, I don't know if you're the manager.
Yes, I'm the assistant manager.
Okay, so do you want to press charges on these individuals?
Yes.
Okay. And how much were those AirPods?
329.
329, okay. Just hang out here. How long are you here today?
I'm open. I'll be here until 1.
Okay, till 1, awesome. I'm going to start looking now, okay? I'll be back.
It's easy to find them.
And I'll come back for your information and stuff too.
All you need is a timestamp.
Headed higher. Excuse me. Thanks.
They're gonna activate them cameras. Tell them right what gate he at.
Hey, so just confirming, you don't know which way they went. They
They went that way.
They definitely went that way. Okay.
That might be that car right there. What gate he at?
Yes, sir. Oh, good morning. How are you? It's a theft from InMotion. These two individuals that I sent to MCR in the airport units just took some $300 headphones and walked away. Yes, ma'am. Bye. Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Copy. I'm here right now. Is that plane still boarding?
See?
Excuse me. Receipt. Hey, how are you? No, you're good.
Easy to track them down.
Is this plane boarding right now? You're done boarding? Is it getting ready to take off? Yeah. Okay. That's fine. How much longer until y'all get ready to...
They should be pushed out within like 15 minutes.
Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just gonna try and do something really quick. Dang it! Come on, anybody. Edward 2 an available supervisor. Please identify. Hey, just sorry to bother you. Hey, that I'm on, that flight is just boarded, and I just walked down the jet bridge, and they still have the jet door open. They said that they got on at 5:35, so they should be on this flight. Can I go get them? Is it okay if I go get them on? Okay. No, sir, they have not. They have not closed the door. When I walked down here, it was open. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I watched the whole thing. Let's give me a look on here just real quick.
Okay. Amber, watch out. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'll be after your first officer, Sydney, myself, Sergeant Captain Buffalo Bar. Obviously, we're there reporting push on DFW, and I can talk to you too much. Just gonna walk you aboard.
Where you at? Where you at?
Oh, it looks like we have 3 hours, 45 minutes.
Where you at? We on the hunt.
About a 35 mile head. We come on to the normal hunt from destination where the
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey, I need you to get off the plane, okay? Go grab your stuff.
What happened?
Huh? You tell me.
Oh, shit. What?
Grab your things. Where are your stuff? Are you with somebody?
No.
No, you're by yourself? Are you with like a... are you sure you're not traveling with anybody? Gray shirt, black pants, stuff like that?
My homeboy right here.
Huh?
My homeboy right here.
Okay, yeah, grab him too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, back up just a little bit, okay? Just back up a little bit. Back up.
Was this yours?
Oh, yes, that's what I need. Thank you so much. Come on, gentlemen. What was their seat number? Do you know? I don't know. That's okay. I'll get the boarding passes. That's fine.
Everything good, brother?
Huh? Yes, sir. Now it is.
Hey, if you don't mind, before you come on the plane next time, just check in with
I'm
me.
so sorry.
myself.
I didn't want to delay your flight.
Yeah, no.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't want to delay your flight. I just want to get on there really quick.
Yeah.
Do it, and I'm very, very sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, just let me know next time, just
Yes,
so I
sir.
know what's going on, but we're all good, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, that's fine. We can do it up here. Hey, so tell me, were you guys at a... Sorry, come on over here. Were you guys at a place, an electronic shop in here?
Yeah, we're there. What's up?
Okay, so tell me about these.
That's what shit was there. But look, I got some over here too. They're mine.
They're yours?
I mean, these are mine.
Okay. So,
What's going on?
I'm looking for the truth.
Yeah, that's
So,
what it is. I didn't take nothing. I mean, that's it. I don't know how that shit. I got mine.
I never said you took anything.
Well, they're not saying that. Why you paid me out the plane?
Because these were with you, right?
No, they're there. They're not me.
These are yours? Okay, so...
Yeah, mine. I got some right here.
Yeah. This guy is he's newer. You could tell. I could tell. He's newer. You know, he don't know the proper procedures of, getting on the airplane, at least keeping the, the pilot, because the pilot is in control. You know what I mean? That's the guy that, he the guy, you know what I'm saying? So the pilot definitely got to be informed on what's going on. And then another thing that this might be small to some people, but to me, it's not a big deal, but it's a deal. All right. He's walking ahead. The officer is walking ahead of the guys. Right. And this may not be, to some people, this may look, pretty normal, but like initially when he was telling them to back up, I was thinking that he was telling them to back up so the officer could slide in the guy's seat, so that way he would have the other two walk ahead of him and he would walk behind them, not him turn around and walk straight. I didn't think that. And I'm seeing it here where they're all walking and stuff, but the suspects are behind him and they're kind of talking like this. Hey, that's kind of how they're talking, where you want to be behind those guys, because at any given moment or whatever, these guys might want to try to take your weapon or whatever the case may be. You don't know. You want suspects in front of you, not behind you. And so just little lackadaisical things like that leads me to believe that this guy is, you know, he's newer. That and the whole pilot situation too.
Okay, let me see. Shit, you got 92 shit.
Like I said, just looking for the truth.
Yeah.
So you were at a place over
Yeah,
here?
we stopped right there.
Okay, just wait right here just real quick, okay? Who is this gentleman to you?
You're my nephew.
Your nephew, okay. So were you guys in
I was taking it out.
We stopped right there, but why? What's up? What's going on?
So you stay with them for just a second, and I want to talk to you, okay? You can go and sit then. Sit down. So tell me what happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened at all?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're positive?
Yeah.
You want to stick with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you come back over here? Hey, Feemster.
See, his negotiation skills ain't even that good. That's it. You ain't gonna try to talk it?
I shoved him down his $329. And they do want to check press charges.
I would too.
So, I was just going to say real quick, I took them off, both took him off the plane because he just watched the whole thing. He's sticking to his story that nothing happened. I literally watched him rip this thing off the thing and go on. Is it okay if I show him the video of what he did?
You can, but it doesn't. I mean, if you're going to arrest him, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay.
I would say it's an unnecessary step.
Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. So I just want to talk to you. You can leave your stuff right there.
I got some more here.
Okay. Okay. So when you were in motion, down here at 11, we can just go right up here. Okay.
What's going on?
Okay. So when you left there, you didn't take any.
I didn't take nothing, dude.
Didn't take anything?
No, I didn't take nothing. I got some of those right there in my house. I don't know. I got some already. What am I gonna take some? I didn't take anything.
Okay. Okay. So what if I told you that I saw the whole thing?
Dude, that's bull. No, that's not. I didn't take nothing. I don't care what you saw. I didn't take nothing.
Okay,
I got some right there too. Shit, I got some no minute. Just because.
What I want you to understand is, like I said, I was looking for the truth. I literally watched you take these off the thing, rip them off. It broke the thing off.
No, maybe. I mean, you know what? I wasn't paying any attention to anything like that.
Okay.
Man.
How about this? How about this?
Maybe they fell or something. I don't know. Maybe try to put them back or something.
Because this is not you.
Yeah.
That's you.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I'm saying. I literally watched you do it.
Yeah. Nah, man. I didn't take nothing. Maybe everything I was looking, I wasn't even paying attention. Probably just fell and shit like that.
It fell into your pants when you stuffed it down your pants.
So what, man? I can't get out. I can't fly no more.
Huh? Oh yeah, you're definitely not making this flight for sure. Now, if your nephew wants to, rebook a flight. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back over here. Okay. Okay. Hey, can you hold on to this? Okay. Go ahead and place your hands behind your back.
What am I getting arrested for?
For theft.
Theft of what?
Theft of headphones.
Man. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Man.
Place your hands behind your back.
Nah,
Okay.
bro. Hey, take man, that's bullshit. Take my stuff, okay? Get my let me see my wallet. Take my phone.
Yeah, he look young. Yeah, new guy.
Get my wallet.
Yeah, in case you need to call someone.
What is it? A misdemeanor bullshit? Man, that's some shit.
Yeah. So you want to take your stuff? If you want to keep his stuff, that's you're more than welcome.
Give me the wallet. Put it in there. Here's only that and my. So what is it? A misdemeanor? What is it?
Yeah. Where's your ID? Is it in your wallet?
Yeah.
Can your nephew get it out for me?
Yeah.
If one of you all could just go down to the InMotion person and just get his information, because that's the complainant.
So where am I going?
Oh, so we have a holding facility here on airport property. Once you get processed through there, then you'll probably just be arraigned in the morning, or even this afternoon, because it's a weekday.
So
they'll explain everything to you when you get to the jail.
So
yes, sir.
So how does this work? So what?
What do you mean, how does it
so I go to jail here? There's a
Yeah, so there's a holding facility here. You'll be transferred to Tarrant County as long as you have your arraignment today.
Tarrant County, where's that?
It's
Fort Worth?
Is it Fort Worth? Yeah.
Yeah, Fort Worth. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, and that's what I was saying. If you wanted to keep your phone with you and stuff like that, you're more than welcome to. You can make phone calls in the jail and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay, just take a seat in there real quick. Buckle you in.
Taking diesel.
No. Yeah, they'll be on. But this, like I said, it's a short drive. Okay. All right. Hang tight, sir.
The man was charged with theft, missed his flight, and was released later that day with a court date.
You know, yeah, you know, it's all good. Everybody was new at once. You know, that's how you learn. You learn by, you know, going through the process and stuff like that. Yeah, unnecessary step. I agree with the officer. Unnecessary step. You know, if they want to see the footage, you can see it in court, man. I don't got to show you that. If your mind is already made up, that's it. You don't got to show them the footage and all that type of stuff. But, you know, sometimes people use that as a tactic for them to come clean themselves. But, you know, he's sticking to some bogus story. Yo, it slipped in my pocket. You know, whatever he said. The only thing I would say is if they're not going to lock up the other dude that was with him, you know, he should have been allowed back on that flight. Now, I don't know, you know, maybe they shut the door or whatever, but, you know, if you ain't going to lock him up neither, damn, then why is his flight being, you know, he shouldn't have to change flights, you know, but honestly, in my opinion, I think they both should be locked up because they both together. The one guy is the lookout, man. Like, come on. But yeah, so anyway, you know, I think the officers did a good job, man. So he learning. So can't penalize the officer for, you know, this things that he could have did better, but he'll learn that over time. Everybody was new at their job. You was new at your job before, so it is what it is. So I'm gonna get officer a 4. You know, there's room for improvement, but he get a 4, man. He did his thing. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.